Hello, students. Today, we're diving into gut health, which is vital for our overall well-being. A balanced gut can enhance your health, but an imbalanced one can lead to issues. Did you know 40% of people worldwide face chronic gastrointestinal problems? It's more common than you might think. In this video, we are excited to share 5 powerful foods that can help heal your gut. Backed by the expertise of Dr. Barbara O'Neill, we will dive into the science behind these gut-healing superfoods by exploring the medicinal compounds that make them so effective in preventing gut diseases and promoting overall digestive health. Meet Barbara O'Neill, a dedicated Australian naturopath and health educator who has a strong background in nursing and a passion for the natural world. Her personal journey into natural health began when her first child faced a severe health issue that didn't respond to conventional treatments. This experience led her to explore the natural field, and she now firmly believes that the human body has an innate ability to heal itself given the right circumstances. Through her work, Barbara empowers people by teaching them how to create the ideal conditions for their bodies to self-heal, unlocking their natural potential for wellness. First, let's examine why our gut health is so important. Our gut is the epicenter of our overall health, impacting not only digestion but also our immune system, mental health, and even skin health. So maintaining a healthy gut is key to achieving optimal well-being, and that's where gut-healing foods come in. Without further ado, let's look at the 5 potent foods for a healthy gut, as endorsed by Dr. Barbara O'Neill. First on Dr. Barbara O'Neill's list of gut-healing foods are high-fiber foods. According to Dr. O'Neill, high-fiber foods are very important for your digestive system, especially your colon. Your gut is a complex, bustling organ with trillions of bacteria hard at work to keep things running smoothly. Dr. O'Neill stated that dietary fiber, particularly from fruits and vegetables, serves as the vital infrastructure that maintains your gut health. Fibers are of 2 types, soluble and insoluble fiber. Foods rich in soluble fiber include oats, sweet potatoes, berries, and flax seeds, while insoluble fiber consists of wheat bran, brown rice, leafy greens like broccoli, and citrus fruits such as lemon. According to an article published by Harvard University, soluble fiber can form a gel-like substance that helps to slow down digestion and help keep you full for a longer period. By slowing down digestion, soluble fiber allows for better absorption of nutrients, ensuring that our bodies make the most of the food we consume. Additionally, this slower pace aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels, as the gradual release of glucose prevents sudden spikes and crashes. This aspect is particularly important for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Secondly, the sensation of fullness brought about by soluble fiber is a tool for weight management. As fiber-rich foods take longer to digest, they keep hunger pangs at bay and prevent overeating. Unhealthy snacking. Consequently, this helps maintain a healthy weight and reduces the risk of obesity and associated health issues. When it comes to the second type of fiber, known as insoluble fiber, the article by Harvard University also explains that this type of fiber does not dissolve in water. Rather, it passes through your digestive system while clearing your colon and improving your digestive health. One primary advantage of this benefit is its ability to promote regular bowel movements. Insoluble fiber also adds bulk to the stool and facilitates its passage. This effectively prevents constipation and ensures the smooth functioning of our digestive system. For people prone to gastrointestinal issues, this is helpful as it keeps things moving efficiently and reduces the risk of discomfort. Furthermore, the colon cleansing action of insoluble fiber has been associated with a lower risk of developing colon-related diseases such as diverticulitis and colorectal cancer. The swift elimination of waste and harmful substances minimizes the exposure of our colon to potential carcinogens, thereby contributing to better overall health.
Most people think that all of their digestion happens in the stomach, but it is not true. Now, one of the great things about saturated fat, it does not need bile. It does not need pancreatic lipase because the breakdown began in the mouth. So people with liver, gallbladder problems, pancreatic problems, what's the best fat for them? Coconut, yeah. Coconut, it's very easy to digest.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill also recommends the versatile coconut oil. Dr. Barbara O'Neill recommends coconut as one of the best sources of fat, especially for people with liver, gallbladder, or pancreatic problems. Unlike other fats, coconut oil is primarily composed of medium-chain triglycerides, which are broken down differently than long-chain triglycerides. These medium-chain triglycerides are absorbed directly into the bloodstream from the small intestine, bypassing the need for bile and pancreatic enzymes, which are often compromised in people with liver, gallbladder, and pancreatic problems. In addition, the digestion of the fats found in coconut oil begins in the mouth with the enzyme lingual lipase, which breaks down the triglycerides into fatty acids and glycerol. This initial digestion in the mouth reduces the burden on the pancreas, which is often strained in people with pancreatic issues. As a result, coconut oil is easily absorbed and metabolized, providing a quick source of energy without putting additional stress on the digestive system. This makes coconut oil a valuable addition to the diet of those with liver, gallbladder, and pancreatic problems, allowing them to reap the benefits of healthy fats without worsening their conditions. But there is more to coconut oil than easy digestion. According to another article published by Harvard University, coconut oil helps to strengthen the immune system, reduce appetite and belly fat, and prevent diseases such as heart problems, dementia, and Alzheimer's disease. Coconut oil's immune-boosting properties can be attributed to its rich content of lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid that has potent antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal effects. When consumed, lauric acid is converted into monolaurin, a compound that has been shown to destroy harmful pathogens and viruses, thereby strengthening the immune system. The oil's ability to increase HDL, or good cholesterol, and lower LDL, or bad cholesterol, also contributes to its cardiovascular protective effects, reducing the risk of heart disease. As if that was not enough, certain compounds known as ketone bodies, produced from the metabolism of the fats found in coconut oil, serve as an alternative energy source for brain cells, which may offer protective benefits against neurodegenerative disorders like dementia and Alzheimer's disease. So not only does coconut oil help to boost the gut's health, it also helps to prevent chronic diseases, which we are more prone to as we age. Now let's continue. Another gut-healing food on Dr. Barbara O'Neill's list is papaya and pineapple. And that is because when it comes to fruit, Dr. Barbara O'Neill encourages us to consume fruits rich in proteolytic enzymes. Papaya is rich in papain, while pineapple is abundant in bromelain. Both are powerful proteolytic enzymes, and here's what Dr. Barbara O'Neill has to say about them.
The stomach releases pepsin, and the duodenum via the pancreas, trypsin and chymotrypsin. Those three are proteolytic enzymes. Proteolytic enzymes break down protein. And there are two plants that have proteolytic enzyme. One is the pineapple, and the pineapple has bromelain in it, and that is a proteolytic enzyme. And the papaya has papain in it. So proteolytic enzymes break down protein. So your proteolytic enzyme is trypsin and chymotrypsin and pepsin. And these also are proteolytic enzymes.
According to Dr. O'Neill, the body's top three proteolytic enzymes are trypsin, pepsin, and chymotrypsin. These enzymes are responsible for digesting protein in the stomach. However, people with conditions like pancreatic insufficiency, celiac disease, and Crohn's disease often struggle with protein digestion due to impaired proteolytic enzyme function. According to the National Institutes of Health, bromelain can be used to reduce symptoms of pancreatic insufficiency. Another research published in Science Direct, the world's leading source for scientific, technical, and medical research, shows that papain can aid in digestion by breaking down protein substrates. Here is how these work. Papain and bromelain are naturally occurring proteases found in fruits like papaya and pineapple and can supplement the body's own enzymes to facilitate protein breakdown. They can alleviate these digestive challenges by promoting protein breakdown, thereby compensating for the compromised proteolytic enzyme activity. By ensuring proper protein digestion, these fruit-derived enzymes enhance nutrient absorption and reduce symptoms like bloating, diarrhea, and malabsorption. Papain and bromelain also possess potent antioxidant properties that further help to maintain a healthy gut environment by protecting the delicate tissues of the digestive system from oxidative damage caused by reactive oxygen species. Another natural way to promote your gut health, according to Dr. Barbara, is consuming cayenne pepper, especially before a meal.
The other thing you can do is put 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper in a little water and have that just before the meal. Won't it burn? It actually never burns, it just feels like it. It tingles a little bit, but it will also wake up the gastric glands. And it is in that way that you can increase your body's ability to digest.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill's recommendation of adding 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper to water before a meal is rooted in the spice's stimulating effect on the gastric glands. In fact, according to the Cleveland Clinic, a nonprofit academic medical center in Ohio, cayenne pepper increases the production of gastric juice and other digestive enzymes in the stomach, which helps us break down food. Here is how it works. Cayenne pepper, derived from red chili peppers, contains a compound called capsaicin. This compound is responsible for the spicy kick we experience when consuming cayenne pepper and has been shown to exert various physiological effects on the body, including stimulating the gastric glands. Upon ingestion, capsaicin interacts with the receptors in the stomach lining, activating the gastric glands to increase the production of stomach acid, specifically hydrochloric acid. Stomach acid is essential for the breakdown of proteins and the activation of digestive enzymes such as pepsin, which further supports protein digestion. Moreover, the increase in stomach acid production, triggered by capsaicin, helps create an optimal acidic environment for the digestion of other macronutrients like carbohydrates and fats. Additionally, cayenne pepper stimulates blood circulation in the digestive tract, promoting the efficient transport of nutrients and waste materials. Another fun fact about cayenne pepper is that its gut-friendly properties extend beyond the stimulating of enzymes. The antioxidant properties of capsaicin shield the gut lining from oxidative stress, lowering the risk of gastrointestinal cancers and ulcerative colitis. On the other hand, cayenne pepper's anti-inflammatory properties can aid in reducing inflammation within the gastrointestinal tract, which is beneficial, especially for people with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. If cayenne pepper is too spicy for you, then you can try Dr. Barbara O'Neill's gastric juice-boosting herbs like gentian, dandelion, and St. Mary's thistle. Herbs that are very bitter stimulate the release of digestive enzymes, living enzymes, and pancreatic enzymes, and that is gentian, dandelion, and St. Mary's thistle, or sometimes it's called milk thistle. According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, herbs like ginseng, dandelion, and St. Mary's thistle have long been used in traditional medicine for their digestive benefits, especially in stimulating the production of bile and gastric juices. To back this up with research, the National Library of Medicine stated that herbs such as dandelion and their products have medicinal properties against gastrointestinal disorders. This includes disorders relating to gastric juice production, and the key to these benefits lies in the bioactive compounds they contain, which interact with the liver and digestive system to to promote optimal functioning. Ginseng, for instance, contains ginsenosides, which have been shown to increase the secretion of gastric juices, including hydrochloric acid and pepsin. These substances play important roles in breaking down food components, particularly proteins, and facilitating the absorption of nutrients in the stomach. Dandelion, on the other hand, stimulates bile production, which is essential for the digestion and absorption of fats. The increased bile flow also helps maintain a healthy gut environment by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria and preventing the overgrowth of harmful microbes. St. Mary's thistle, or milk thistle, contains a compound called silymarin, which exhibits antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the digestive system, St. Mary's thistle supports the overall functioning of digestive organs and aids in the secretion of digestive juices. Besides their gastric juice-boosting properties, these herbs can also offer other digestive health benefits. For example, ginseng has bioactive compounds such as ginsenosides, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the gut lining and mitigate conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Dandelion, on the other hand, contains sesquiterpene lactones and flavonoids, which exhibit prebiotic properties that nourish the gut microbiome and promote the growth of beneficial bacteria. This enhances the gut's immune barrier and detoxification capabilities. Finally, St. Mary's thistle's silymarin and silibinin compounds have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, protecting the gut lining from oxidative stress and damage while also supporting the liver's detoxification processes, which are intricately linked with gut health. Now that you are aware of the gut health secrets of these superfoods, it is time to start incorporating them into your diet. By consuming these foods regularly, you are giving your body, especially your gut, the tools it needs to digest your foods and prevent any digestive issues effectively. However, if you are on medication or have any underlying health conditions, kindly ensure you consult your doctor before incorporating any of these foods into your diet, as they might interact with your medications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. See you in the next video.